Here's a gentleman that's head of security.
Absolutely.
They're creating jobs through the workforce. And there's his partner, and then you'll see other young brothers that we hired to get the guns out their hand. And they're very excited on being a part of building this house. And when you open their mindset and give them a different outlook on life, then they change their life. We going 2256 West Monroe and Oakley, right on the corner. Now that's our market rate homes, and it's part of the City of Chicago Affordable Housing Program. So they allow us to do, we have additional 8 lots for the first phase of the project. That we did 2 market rates and 6 affordable. So please meet us over there. And we change the lives in Chicago through employment. All right, my man. Okay, where we at is 2256 West Monroe, and this part of the city program, which is City Lots for Working Family. So this part of a program that when we went through the city's process to get the land, and this is what came out of it when the city didn't believe us, when they didn't believe we could do it. Now they see we do it. Now it's less embrace what we're doing, because all these brothers that's right here can build too. And that's why we walking. This is just the first step of all of us walking through this door. Come on, walk through the door.
When you running for?
I'm open. Like this. So listen, let me tell you, here's one of the gentlemen that put this property together. This young man here came in when it was on the ground, when it was dirt, and he helped us put this property together, and now he's starting his own company from this program, which is the City of Chicago Workforce Development Program, this brother here, he came in, showed out with the willingness to learn how to do new construction, and he did it. So man, here's one of the brothers that helped us put this whole thing together, and I just had to let you know.
What's up, man? How you doing, brother?
That's my man. But you see, look how this one building, when you get one person that's coming out of the mud, we've been in the mud all our life. And look what happened when you give it a chance and give it us opportunity. And that's all we're trying to say ever in this city that we was born and raised in, that we love. Man, give us a chance to change lives. Just like people that come in our community that don't look like us, they prosper. That's a big problem. But as you can see, we're showing unity right now because they glad to see when one make it, all of us make it. Because now the door is open. Now you can't deny us. Now you can't deny us. You see it. Because we all is one. We together. Ain't no separatism. Ain't that big you, big I, big. No. We're going to cut that right now. Because in the city of Chicago, we're going to create some jobs, build these houses, and reduce violence through employment. And making sure we get the guns out their hands and tell these young brothers, man, we did it for you. We went through the system for you. You ain't got to do it no more.